Ma'am Babe! Throw the cards in the air! In a count of 3! 1, 2, 3! I'm going to refill the cards like this. Ingon lang ang stop. Alright? Just say stop. Stop ka na rin. Kana na card bang memorize sa ayaw kalimti. Utang, bilis sa first one. Hindi akong tanaw. In a count of 3. Alright? But this time now, atong buhaton, isod kayo ni anuman. All you have to do is throw the cards in the air upon my signal. Huwag akong i-catch one card and one card only. Or ito yung card na natin. Oh. Alright? And I'm come now, like catching a baby. Sige, hindi nga lang akong catch a baby. Alright? Sige. Ma'am Babe, are you ready?
Ready!
Ma'am Babe, throw the cards in the air! In a count of 3! 1, 2, 3! Yung likod, ma'am, naisa ka gift na right? Yes! And actually, the whole time, what's this? Ang grabe, ma'am, amazing kayo. They cutter siya. And also, in orange. Wow! Amazing kayo ni nga naman. Kaya ang orange na siya seeds. Pag uli sa inyong balay, itanom ang seeds mo, gawa sa inyong card. Which is tugay kay meta po. But, ladies and gentlemen, I have here in orange, a sealed orange, sealed by God. Wow! Sino ba? Akong ikat ang circumference sa orange. Circumference is a fancy word for perimeter. Sa tunga. Sa Bisaya, sa tunga. Alright? As you can see na siya yung mga juice o tinuod siya ng orange. Ladies and gentlemen, drum roll please. Inside of this orange na isang card na naka-full. Now, ma'am, you can pick any card, right? And you pick, ano ito na card yung gipili? Jack of Hearts. Ladies and gentlemen, what an amazing magic. This card is the Jack. Naisa ka piece. Match pa siya? Yes,